Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Srinjay Kumar Varadaj, and today I'm going to show you how to make a radar using Arduino Uno R3. So first let's look at the setup of how the Arduino module will work. Here you can see this Arduino Uno connected to this ping sensor. It is the ultrasonic sensor, and the servo to which the sensor will be connected. So let's see the actual setup here. Here we can see this is the breadboard, and here everything is connected. This is connected to an Arduino Uno R3, and here the servo is there upon which the ping sensor is mounted upon. Now let's go and see what happens when we upload the code, Arduino code. So we can get here the Arduino code. I downloaded it from instructables.com, and here it is. And here I have used the serial pins number 8 and 12, and to which it is connected, and I have connected the ground pin to the 5 volt and all like this. Now let's first upload the code here. Here we are uploading the code. So it's taking time. It's now uploaded. Now we can see that the ping sensor is rotating 175 degrees here. It will rotate like this. If I hold the motor, servo motor, it will be rotating. Now first work is done. Now let's go. Now here this particular ping sensor will be giving us some values here. See, we can see here some values. These are the values that it's giving. Ping sensor is working now. Now to make that radar screen, now we have to convert this into graphical form, and for that I first tried using MATLAB, but MATLAB is too much costly and the torrent version is not available. So I use this software which is called processing software. It's 3.2.1 for my Windows 8.1 PC. Now let's see, uploading it here. Here the screen, here I have written the code in the processing one, and you can see here everything working fine. It uses matrix and radians and all some mathematical complicated things are there, but you can get it online available. And if you want the codes from me, then you can write email in this email website. I have given it here. You can contact with me. I will be giving you this all the codes here. Now let's see the radar screen. When we will press, okay, let me go back. It's not responding. Okay, now in the processing software, in this run button, I am clicking here. This particular sketch screen will come out. Now it will take some time. Now actually what we have to do, we have to close the Arduino, otherwise the COM port will not work fine. So it's an troubleshooting problem. We have to again restart the program to have this one. Yeah, we can close it. Now again we can do the same thing. Now most probably it will work. Yeah, you have to close the Arduino before starting it. Now we can see the ping sensor is also rotating, and here this particular screen is also coming fine. Now test it. I am using this particular data card module, and if I keep the data card in front of that, this screen is becoming red. That means it is detecting something. So let's see here. So it came across, and you can see the red parts here. Particular red symbols are coming. So here it is happening, and you can see the distance coming out. So it's all about the Arduino radar. And this particular board, the two things will be blinking at the right time. And remember to connect the TX module to the RX button of the blue TX to the RX and RX to TX from the ping sensor. Otherwise it will not work fine. Now let's go back. So this is, I am showing you the circuit diagram again. You can get it. You contact me, I will be giving you. Okay, it's all about the radar. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my page, and thank you.